Hi everyone, I wanted to make this short real quick. I know a lot of you are worried about doing your own kind of acid peel on your face, but the one from The Ordinary, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. So I'm getting ready for my nightly shower, and I have it as The Ordinary AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution. I already washed and scrubbed my face. I took all my makeup off. It looks like this. What you're going to do, yes, I know it looks weird, right? So you're going to take it like this. You're going to pour it on your fingers. And you're going to smear it all over your face. You'll want to do a sensitivity test first. Do not put it near your eyes. Just like this. You don't need any fancy applicator. Nothing. You're just going to put it on. It is going to sting. And you only do this like twice a week at bedtime, okay? Don't overdo it, because, especially in the summertime. So there you go. You got it on. It looks like a sunburn. And I'd say, hey Siri, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes counting down.
Thank you. And after 10 minutes, when it comes off, washed off, I will be putting Laneige. It's a nice water-based, I'm almost out of it, but a nice water-based, I need a little bit more. It's drinking it in more. A nice water-based lotion. And don't use your lactic acids or retinols or retinoids after this, because that would be a little bit harsh. So vitamin C you could put on. It's not as bad. It's ascorbic acid, but it's not that bad for the skin. And you're going to want to wash your hands immediately. And yeah, you're going to look like you have sunburn for 10 minutes. And you know what? If it starts burning after, a lot of people have very sensitive skin, so if it starts burning after, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, wash it off. Build up a tolerance slowly to make sure your skin can handle it. And this is how you use The Ordinary. And it's just like that. 10 minutes, wash it off. This is what it looks like. I had to write down there, do not use every day. Because I love this brand of products. I really do. And I'm not putting it near my eyes because I will be using a separate eye cream to go in and plump up everything where there's no more collagen. All right, that's the tip for tonight. So, happy acid peeling. Good night. Bye.